Hi, I'm Tree and this is Stitchless TV. Now, a few weeks ago I did a subtraction pattern cutting workshop at a girls' school in London. So because it was a textiles course, I thought it'd be a really good idea if they came up with a design and then I created mirror repeated strips onto 3 meters of fabric. But look how great it looks as a skirt. So these are the other designs that the girls did. Look, some of them have done butterflies, portraits, hands. And again, it looks amazing. All together as a skirt, but I had to cut it up into strips. We needed loads and loads of fabric because each project requires about 3 meters on the front and 3 meters on the back, because you make a great big sack that's about 2.5–3 meters long. And I managed to get the fabric sponsored by a company called EU Fabrics in Birmingham. So then it was time to begin. So first of all, I got them to watch part 1 of our subtraction pattern cutting video. So they got their front and back bodice pieces, it's like a vest top, and they started to think about how to lay on their 3 meter, 2.5 meter long sacks. And then when they were happy, they cut them out. Now, do you want to see the results from the first stage? They're completely amazing. Look at this. So this actually has a second stage in the third picture. So this is the first stage. So what happens is when you do this technique, the front goes to the back and the back comes to the front. But I think it definitely added value having that strip of digital print. So hopefully they'll get more points in their grades. So then they wanted to go on to the second stage, which again brings another dimension to the design. Look at that drape, very impressive. Now I haven't got a clue how this student did this, so don't ask me because I've no idea. And these results are like something you'd see in a degree course. Very, very fantastic. So if you want to have a go at doing this, but you think it looks too outrageous, look at how Judd has done it. She used our raglan sleeve pattern, downloadable PDF. And because of the way she positioned it, she ended up with these amazing, sweeping, draping results really easily. Thank you for watching. And obviously, I'm going to say, go and watch part 1, subtraction pattern cutting, and part 2, if you want to have a go at doing this. But also, go and have a look at Julian Roberts' website. There's lots of free information there. He's the guy that developed and created this pattern cutting technique, which is actually pretty much zero waste. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.